gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special unboxing from you. This one is from WIKKED Artistry or WIKKED Cosmetics. Now, browsing through their site, they did have several bundle sales. I was really interested in mascara, which was no longer available online. I ended up reaching out to the company itself and got a very prompt response that there was issues with the formula and that it will be relaunching soon. I thought that was a fantastic response. I thought immediately this is a company that cares about their customers and listens to what their customers have to say. So I was really interested. I went ahead and placed an order through them. And here it is. Now it did arrive in one of the bubble wrap envelopes and my shipping label is on this side. I went ahead and opened it already because I didn't want to be fussing with it. But let's go ahead and take a look. Now, okay. So we have, what is this? WIKKED Artistry, wikkedartistry.com. Thanks for being a wicked beauty. Oh, you guys know me. So it's just a cute little advertisement. Oh, there's another one. Did you know those with more experience and respect in graffiti and street art are called kings or queens? Our graffiti collection is closely modeled after this concept. Ooh, I like that. So it's a little background story on the eyeshadow palette. Okay, which is the one I ordered, so it makes sense. And here we go. Now. Ooh, okay, hold on. Nothing else in there. Okay, that's done, so that's gonna go aside. Now, I did end up ordering a few things. Okay, this is, they had a bundle deal where was you buy their graffiti palette. Oh my god, that's adorable. You buy the graffiti palette along with the glitter eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, first of all, this graffiti palette, oh my god, I love the packaging. Let's see. I love that it's with the white with the black writing versus like a Morphe or something else, which is the all black with very simple white logo. I feel like this really just freshens up my makeup palettes. It's something different. Now let's see here. I love that it has this sleeve. This is a really nice touch. I'm very glad that they included this. This reminds me of the higher luxury end brands. Palettes that come to mind were Blood Sugar, where it had the like sort of VHS tape sort of sleeve. And then actually Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette had a gorgeous little sleeve like that too. So it immediately made me think of a higher end brand. So good on you. That's a nice touch. And this says, inspired by the courageous and anonymous artists who enact their freedom of expression to paint the backdrop of our world and the bright, vibrant colors that are the stencil of urban culture. Oh. And then again, they are cruelty-free and vegan. So of course that's a major plus in my book. But let's go ahead and take a look at what the palette looks like itself. Whew. I'm actually really excited to open this one. Okay, ready? And oh, there is a mirror. Okay, cool. I wasn't sure. I thought so, but oh my goodness. Those are adorable. Oh my goodness. This blue and this one down here immediately called to me. This one's pretty too. Well, you know me, I gotta swatch everything. So let's just go ahead and start. I'm gonna start over here, work my way down. The first one is Blockbuster. Next up, that was really soft and very pigmented all the way across. A lot of shine. I was really surprised. Okay, let's see how bright Urban is. Now I do have an actual little scratch across my hand, so the swatch is a little bumpy. This one is called Punk. Ooh. Well, you know me, I clearly love my cool colors, so, oh yeah, that's, we found a winner here. All right, let's go ahead and do Slap. Slap yourself. That's a really pretty orange. It's not quite a neon, but it's also not like those nude pumpkin-y sort of shades that you see all around it. It's not that. It's just like this nice hybrid. It is more on the bright side for sure. It's really nice. Okay. I already have like looks going on in my head. Like I'm trying to figure out like which one I want to do today. Like I'm excited. Okay. In the middle here we have tag, as in tag, you're it. That's cute. Next up we have Wild Style. If Wild Style is anything like the punk above it, oh man, here we go. Oh man. Has a lot of foil in it. There's a lot of reflective there. Haven, which is this beautiful color down here. And I'm gonna start swatching here on my arm. There we have Haven. That's a lot more shiny than I was really expecting. I don't know why, because I can clearly see it's not a glitter, but in my head for some reason I was thinking it was glitter flakes, like just pressed glitter, and it's not. So I don't know why I was thinking that, but anyway. And so we have this gorgeous look, like gray charcoal color called Stencil. I think these two like perfectly match my scarf right now. That's really cute. And last but not least, definitely not least, is Mural. Oh man. Okay, here we go. Whew. Bam. Oh, that didn't go on very well. I hate swatching on my arms. I feel like they don't do very well. Okay, I'm gonna do it right here. There we go, much better. And that is Mural. That is gorgeous, gorgeous. I cannot wait to put that on my lids and just have some fun. So, wow. I am 100% satisfied with the color selection. I really feel you get a wide range. You do have some more, what I'm gonna call, I don't want to say basic shades, but shades that you can work with and combine, like the gray, which one is this one called? Blockbuster. And I'm even gonna throw Slap in there. Slap you can definitely work with. You can pair with a lot of the different colors, blend it out, and you're gonna get some fantastic looks. Next up, we do have this glitter set. It's just loose glitter in the little jars. It looks like we did have maybe a bit of a spill there, but it looks like I still have plenty of product in the jars itself. Now, I'm gonna try to open this, but my only slight complaint so far with these jars is that there's no indication anywhere on the packaging that this is from the Wicked Artistry. So if I can change one thing, I would maybe do like a stamp here on the top of just their W logo. And I think that would just be perfect. Oh yeah, it looks like, ooh, one of them leaked. Spilling, and it's making my clothes look really pretty. Okay, so not too bad. I mean, yeah, it's disappointing that it spilled, but they wrapped it. It just had to have been something in shipping. I don't feel like that was on the company by any means. And it's only a little bit, it's just on the side of the jars. I actually got on 2 jars. You guys can see there. And I think it's this one that spilled, which I like. If you guys can tell, I'm hoping that actually shows up. It looks like we have a duotone. We have a pink and orange, it looks like. It looks like it changes hues as the light hits it. But I'm just gonna use that to do my swatch over here. Now granted, I'm just doing a dry swatch. This is not primed, it's not prepped, it's not using any sort of setting spray, so it is not going to be as vibrant as it will be when I put it on my face. Let's just go ahead and swatch it right underneath here. Ooh, that is really pretty. I love that tone. I'm trying to see if you guys can see the tonal shift. Adorable little jars. And let's open one up and see what it looks like. Ooh. I don't want to tilt it too much because I don't want it to fall out. You can see here it is the loose pigment. That actually came in a bundle set because when I was browsing I really couldn't decide what I wanted, and so when I saw the bundle set I was like, oh perfect, I'll just get it all. I have another pigment. I'm just going to open it up and show you guys the color. So pretty. I can't wait to work with that one. Oh my god. So exciting. This is the third one in the collection. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You guys. Oh my god. I need to photograph these and get you guys like a close-up of each of these because they are absolutely stunning. Here we have this one versus, I'm not sure if I did this one or not, so let's go ahead and do both just to make sure. Artistry also has lip glosses, which I think have fantastic packaging. Unfortunately, this time I was unable to pick one up, but I hope to in the future. Actually, their packaging, if you ever look at it, I really want to turn it into a pendant, like bad. So I hope to actually pick one up when they relaunch the mascara and just review them and see what happens. Now, the company did advise me, they're so sweet, you guys. They actually reached out and, you know, said thank you for your order, and they included a free little goodie for me. So I'm very appreciative of that, and thank you guys so much. I didn't want you to think I'm ungrateful by any means. I just wanted to record my first reaction. I didn't ask what the goodies were. I wanted to be surprised. But they included one of their neon pigments for me, and as you guys know, I am the queen of neon. I love color. The brighter color, the better, but of course, my go-tos are always my cool tones. And here we have it. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous neon. Let's open it up. Oh man, look at that. Oh, that's gonna be fun. Okay, I'm gonna swatch this one just really quick, like right here, just to see what it looks like. And yeah, that's gonna be fun. So I'm really excited. You can even see the difference. This is the neon orange versus the more muted orange like I was talking about. This one isn't quite a pumpkin, but you know, that one is. That one is, hey, let's get the black lights and let's go. Oh man, that's a fun color. Because I'm feeling super inspired right now, and so let's just get this going. I'll be right back. That was my first impression of Wicked Artistry Cosmetics. I will absolutely be purchasing from them in the future. I can't wait to see what other products they put out. Like I said, when that mascara comes back out, I'll probably pick up a couple of their lip glosses as well as the mascara. So I expect great things from them. The packaging alone is on point. They get a positive thumbs up for me, especially being vegan, cruelty-free, budget friendly, great communication from the company. Again, just look for them online. I'll have a link down below in the description. Please check it out. And remember, if you like this unboxing and honest review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.